On today's author spotlight, we're talking tubs. Hot tubs, that is. And if you're a frustrated hot tub owner, you know how difficult it can be caring for and maintaining your precious source of relaxation. Well, don't fret. We have an incredibly helpful tool to help you easily learn about the 3 best systems for your hot tub. The book Hot Tub Clarity was written by Jacque Johnson, aka the Hot Tub Lady, and it will walk you through setting up chlorine, frog, at ease, and even saltwater systems. This book is a must-have for all hot tub owners. Get your copy of Hot Tub Clarity today on Amazon, and be sure and subscribe to the Hot Tub Lady on YouTube.